The three biggest Russian tank factories are idling due to electronics. The Ural-Vagonzavod, Omsk-Transmash, and Kurganmash-Zavod are working with semi-finished armored vehicles. This is when you produce the unit, but didn't assemble the interior equipment, extern sensors, etc. The Russian tank is totally trashed, and the Russian soldier is looking for his comrades.
Походу арта уебал или кого ебать. Вот что есть. Возможно, трупы. Вот что есть, ебать. Горит нахуй. Страшная хуйня, ебать. Но трупы там по-любому есть.
Today, a Ukrainian drone dropped an explosive device on the minibus of our not our good friend, and the head of the St. Petersburg Special Training Center shot Vitaly Belyaev. Video of the situation in the Donbas. The big counteroffensive is coming. New recruits joining the Polish army, which is a NATO member. The Poles are in the process of doubling the size of the army from 150,000 to 300,000 men. Just a few years ago, it wasn't more than 90,000.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.